How to manage only show subtitles for other participants on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage only show subtitles for other participants on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click this one on your profile, and then click this one, settings, and then you will find calling here. Click on it, and then here you will see this one here, call subtitles. And now, as you see, all you need to do is just click here if you want to turn it off. And as you see, only show subtitles for other participant has been turned off. If you want to turn it on again, just click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.